Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all enjoyed our last video. Well, we still have the same stuff going on. We got holes being dug for the footings, and we got the footings being made. So let's take a look and see what's going on. Alright, these guys are actually bending up the bases for the footings. The guy still was telling me that they're using 14 pieces of rebar. These little bent ones. These guys are doing manual way. When we did our house, they used a big chunk of steel, and they had a nice bending table for everything. We don't have so much since we aren't doing it with a contractor. We just got our old foreman from the first part of the build of our house. And the buckles are still being made. This guy actually churns them a lot more. On our house, they didn't churn them in as much. Let's see if you guys can see it. See how much of a churn they have in them. They didn't do that on our house. They were just a little pieces on them. But we have a different crew, but same foreman. Alright, and of course we still have our holes being dug. We've got lots of fill dirt. All this dirt's gonna be down on the other side because we're really low. We're actually thinking about bringing in some fill dirt, but I don't think we're going to because these holes are so big. We ain't gonna need that much fill dirt, if any. I am this wonderful ground right here. They're full of thorns, thorny bushes, and red biting ants. Nothing we can do. We're just stirring them up right now. At some point, we'll lay down the poison over here once everything is settled. It helps for a little bit. Our house is starting to get them now after what? Been a few years since we laid down the poison we did. It's only supposed to last 2 years, so I guess that's what we get. 2 years, and that's it for the underneath the foundation. You can do some fancy stuff and put I think they put PVC underneath, and they have little outlets, and they pressurize it and shoot this chemical up in it, and every, I think 6 months they were saying. But it's a expensive process, so we just decide not to do that with our house and this place too. Alright, everybody, good afternoon. We got another hole being dug. Unfortunately, let's throw in the dirt way over there in the back corner. I feel bad because they're gonna have to move it to use it for fill dirt later on, but it's what it is. They've only got so much room in here. And these poor guys, at least they got some shade. Well, not really. It's protection from all the rain. It's been raining since lunchtime. Alright, they got some footings done already. Built at least. And there is our columns. They're actually a lot bigger than our house. And they're cutting them. Cutting some more footings. But other than that, that's about it for today. Same stuff going on.
Okay, 3 people will carry this. It's heavy. It's 8 pieces of 16 mm rebar. Foreman right there. So we already have total of 3 column ready. And then we have this footing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Very nice.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117.
So let's watch this, guys, on how to form this parilla.
What's a parilla?
Kuya.
Looks like a footing to me.
Ano daw ang parilla?
It's the base for the footing.
Yeah. This is huge. 160 centimeter. So they're currently marking the distance between rebar, which is 25 centimeter. And our footing actually cost us 4 pieces of 16 mm rebar to build this, because this is total of 14 pieces cut for the 160 centimeter size of footing. All right, these two are done. It's massive and heavy. And currently foreman is doing the stirrups. Alright, so these guys are almost over with this footing, and I think it's almost 5 feet already. Because this guy, Kuya, anong height mo? Kuya? Hindi mo alam? Pero over 5 feet ka kasi 5 feet ako eh. So parang yan na yung final ano. That's the last layer. And then the rest is here that they have to dig. Probably tomorrow they'll finish it. And then let's see the other side. This is our corner at the back. They just started it like an afternoon. So probably tomorrow they will finish this. And I'll show you guys our mohon, which is there. And this is our marker. Well, that's the end of today. So we'll do film the second part tomorrow.
Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to the second part of this video, September 23rd. Yay! Anyway, today we have the same stuff going on as the days before. Some hole being dug, I should say. And we got rebar being bent, made up for the footings and column. So anyways, let's go see what's going on. Some entertainment. We got some roosters in training right here. They actually had more out, but they're putting them away because the sun is starting to beat down. It's really hot. Alright, and this hole is almost done. They shall be starting a new hole here shortly, which will be right over here. And these guys are digging pretty good. The smart ones, they got shade over their selves. These guys down here are baking. Alright, and we're still bending some rebar right here. Yep, we are bending rebar. Yay! I think for like 2 months straight, it's gonna be bending rebar every day. So the buckles, these guys are getting ready to do some more footing. Got the 16 mm out, piling it up right behind me. And luckily what they did, they put up a tarp for some shade for the bender. I was telling him the last 2 days he needs to put up some shade. It's so hot. It's really hot today. It's only 9 o'clock a.m. and it is scorching. Guys digging are just completely drenched in sweat. Alright, it is a wonderful afternoon. It's like 2 o'clock, 2:30, somewhere around there. But I was just checking on everybody. And this hole right here in the center, which is our main one, which is going to be a bigger footing because we're using 20 mm for this. It's set up to be the strength of the whole house, I guess. I mean, yeah, the whole house. So everything's a little bit bigger, a little bit deeper on this one. And these guys are still plugging away on this hole. Pretty much one day takes 2 people to dig 1 hole. Alright, and more footings being made. Pretty much the first couple of weeks is pretty boring. Until we start pouring and getting things going. Pretty much same going on. They do have quite a bit more beams. We are on 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow, we're on 6. Gonna have 7 our columns. Yes. So by the end of today, we'll be at 7 columns. So over halfway done being made. At least for the base.